Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1967 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III Phase 2 convertible. Final year for the BJ8, most user-friendly of all the big Healeys, featuring a 150 horsepower engine, nice quiet exhaust system, power brakes, walnut dash, just all the luxuries you want, the softest riding of them all. So really nice, very good condition, quality driver here. Handsome in British racing green, black leather interior, black top boot, tonneau cover, chrome luggage rack, 4-speed overdrive, chrome wire wheels, beautiful Darrington steering wheel. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. It looks like it's got a stainless exhaust system. This is on consignment here locally. It is titled in Texas, but really, really good driver condition, older restored BJ8 Phase 2 sports convertible. Really lovely glossy paint. Do a slow walk around here. Really good door gaps. The doors fit really well on this car. That's a good telltale sign that structurally it's in great shape. So we'll just do another slow walk around here. A couple little tiny paint blems I can see back here. There's a little crack there and another little crack here, just a stress crack on the trunk lid, but really not too much to worry about. A couple little chips here which have been touched up. Probably can be improved a little bit better if you take it to the paint shop. Another little tiny chip there, but the rest of the car is just really lovely. Really good panel fit. Really straight. Lovely headlamp area. You can see here, everything fits just on the button. This is a really susceptible area on big Healeys because these headlights are a bit pronounced out on the corners and very susceptible to getting, dinged and popped in those corners. But really good grille fit. This is a late '67, so it's got the chrome badge. Just needs a little bit of paint added in there. Lucas fog lamps, badge bar, really attractive front end here, headlamp stone guards, chrome wire wheels, really nice. They look like a Dayton chrome wire wheel fitted with Michelin ZX radials. Is this the original windshield? Yeah, this is the original triplex windshield. It's in pretty good shape. Speedo shows 26,000, but it's probably more like 126 with lots of good careful maintenance and repairs and mechanical rebuilding as needed. But this car's never had a ground up. It's just been a really nice car that's had cosmetic improvements and mechanical maintenance as needed. But yeah, kind of a good no stories, great condition BJ8 driver. Let's look at the car's interior. So this is nice because they've upgraded the original Ambla interior to full leather. You can see here, driver seats excellent, passenger seats great. They also treated the rear seats to the full leather trim kit as well. Dash wood is great, really lovely condition, refinished dash, super nice gloss veneer, no cracking. That's always an issue with these BJ8s, is the original dashes start to crack. But yeah, nicely restored interior. It's got this beautiful original style Darrington wood alloy steering wheel, still incorporating the original Trafficator, which is fantastic. Speedo I think reads 26,904. Really nice carpets. You can see here it's like a really nice wool carpet set. Seat belts fitted. Top boot. Top is in like nearly new condition. It's an Everflex black, correct, soft top. That's in really great condition. It's hardly been used. Super nice door panels. Most of the chrome on this car is original. Presents nicely. Maybe the bumpers were replated, but chrome overall is very, very good, and original overall. It's never been re-chromed, but this car's definitely had fresh paint, fresh interior, but beautiful big Healey in the right colors. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment, but before that we'll take a look at the trunk compartment here. So in here we see a black tonneau cover fitted, original jack, knockoff hammer. That's where the battery is correctly stowed in that corner. Spare tire, there's a box of goodies here. Pretty good trunk fit overall. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So in here we have a very decently clean engine compartment. 2-inch HD8 carbs, upgraded aluminum radiator. Front of this car looks great. Doesn't look like it's ever had any trauma. But you can see here the VIN number is 40109, making it a late production, real deal 1967 BJ8. Still correctly fitted with the generator, probably wired positive earth as original. But yeah, overall, very, very clean, pretty decently tidy engine compartment. You could probably spend a few weekends giving that a little detail, but really good hood fit. We'll do a final walk around here. Yeah, have a look at all the still images, the undercarriage up on the lift. We're going to take this for a test drive shortly, and I'll give you a running report. But if you're in the market for one of these very attractive Grand Tours that's not priced out of sight, which they could be if they are absolutely perfect cars. We've sold them up to $150,000, $160,000 for an absolutely mint example. This car is very well priced in this market, and you can get into this lovely big Healey for the right money. 1967 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III BJ8 sports convertible, phase 2 model. Last year, final year in the best colors. Dark Jaguar British Racing green, black leather trim, top boot, tonneau cover, 4-speed overdrive, chrome wire wheels, fog lamps, chrome luggage rack. Excellent, very, very nice, older restored big Healey. www.kurttannermotorcars.com